Hello, Matthew Judson, JSP's Respiratory Director. We're here today to look at the Health and Safety Laboratory's FRED machine. FRED, Face Fit Respirator Demonstrator. It's a machine that HSL have developed to see the sort of things that can go wrong with respirators out in the field. So how are we doing that? We've got a head form in the chamber. It's got soft skin type covering. We put some smoke into the chamber. It's then drawn down through a mouthpiece into some lungs underneath the head form. We'll put some smoke into the chamber. So we've got a cloud of smoke coming into there. And now we're going to try and draw the air into the lungs. But if we look at how well this filter works, what we've got on the head form is an FFP3 disposable dust mask. So that's filtering with a minimum 99% efficiency. Okay, so now what we've done is fitted a pair of goggles onto the head form. So we need to get the disposable dust mask and the pair of goggles to both fit in the same space. That often means that you're going to adjust the mask down a bit when putting the goggles on. So if we now put some more smoke into the chamber, what we're going to see is that we've got an awful lot of smoke coming through there into the lungs. And that's because where we've had to move that mask around to get it to fit with the goggles, it's not quite got the seal that it had before. We've now fitted FRED's head form with the FORCE8 half mask complete with the P3 Press to Check filters. What JSP have done with the Press to Check filters is develop an on-mask system so that you can check the fit of your respirator every time you don it. We can close the filters and then attempt to breathe in. What I'm feeling there is resistance on the lungs, and you can see the half mask being sucked down onto Fred's face. So what we'll do now is put the chamber back over Fred and put some smoke into the chamber. Now we know, because we've done the press to check, that when we breathe in, we're going to have a nice clean pair of lungs. What we can see there, nice and clean. Now what would happen if, in the same way as with the disposable mask, we would have fit a pair of goggles to Fred's head? What we can see there is that we don't really get the best fit of the mask and the goggle, so we need to move the position of the half mask on the head form. So we'll do another fit check. And there we can see, as I attempt to breathe in, the mask is being sucked down onto the face, so that we know we've got another good face fit. Putting the smoke chamber back on. And again, putting enough smoke into the chamber so that when we breathe in, we can again see that we have a nice clean pair of lungs. So what we've demonstrated there is that even when fitting additional PPE, we can still check that we've got a good fit of the respirator.